And for the people who think I'm full of crap, second cup of coffee with cayenne pepper, mullein plant, and honey, my runny nose is gone. So, I tell people this all the time. I would drink horse piss if I knew it was going to help me out. Try it. If you are getting sniffles, runny nose, if you think that you're going to, if you feel like you're getting down and sick, drink a cup of coffee, hot coffee with mullein plant, cayenne pepper, and honey. You can put other stuff in it. I put creamer in it. I got a cinnamon stick in it. It helps. And I was sitting here blowing my nose and sneezing all morning long. It's now 7, and I didn't make my first cup of coffee until about an hour and a half ago. Hour and a half later, I feel great. So, as I'm smoking a cigarette. So, Sir Lucky, Robert Lindsay, if you would have drank this stupid coffee with cayenne pepper, you wouldn't have had to go to the doctors and get antibiotics.